What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we are changing out our axle seals. We've already gotten this far, we pulled our shafts, so we're gonna go ahead and start pulling everything else. My hands are already dirty, so let's get started. So to speed up the video, we went ahead and pulled the shafts out and took the tires and brakes off. Obviously you should be able to do that. All you have to do is pull the 3 13mm bolts back here and then hammer your shafts out. But whenever you have a leaky seal, this is kind of what it's going to look like. You're going to have oil piling up or just dirt and grime right here. So to get to that and fix it, it's all internally. It's not a very difficult job, it just takes a while. It's not something that's going to be a quick job. But we're going to go ahead and show you exactly what you have to do from this point. To do this, we have to pull our carrier out, and you want to make sure that you don't mix these up. So we're going to mark this side with 1 and then this side over here with 2, so that way it doesn't get confused and everything goes back exactly how it's supposed to. Oh, damn. There we go. Okay, that wasn't very well, but
can you still see
them? Barely even see them. Yeah, that's
I would just do it a few times.
Yeah, I'll just do this side a lot.
I always see people do it with Sharpie.
That's a bad idea.
And then you wipe off the grease and it's gone. So.
Okay, well there's like 6 of them up here. Still can't even see it. Well, kind of. I'll just keep making this little peppered up here and then we'll know what side's which. Yeah! That side. Top left.
Yeah, you can see it.
It works.
Do-do-do.
It works. So you're gonna need a 16mm socket to pull these and just star it up and take it all off. And you'll be able to pull it. So much muscles.
What are you saying?
So much muscles. Look at that muscle. That's what I get for working out non-stop. It's big. I'm just gonna put these right here. Alright, and then we'll pull that one. Man, this is a really bad angle. Really bad angle.
You want the impact?
What?
You want the impact?
No, I'm good. I'll just use the ratchet. Okay, so we got the bolts out. We're gonna go ahead and pull the caps off. On that side, and then this side. Yay. And then we're gonna pull the whole thing out.
Got it. Make sure you don't mismatch the bearings to the races.
This was on this side. There we go. Yep. Make sure if you have any shims that they stay on the correct side as well.
You got one up
So
in there.
got one right up there. So we'll make sure to get that off. And I'll probably just set this like that for now. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. I'll just set it against that. All right, now we gotta hammer these things out. So now you hammer them out, wearing the proper footwear. Oh, oh look, it popped out. There you go. Do the same thing for the other side, although you're gonna have to get like extensions and stuff like that to make it reach. But once they're out, you can then install the new ones, which we'll do in just a second. So let's hammer this one out. It's almost out. There we go. There you go.
Good idea to go ahead and get a socket and a rag. Either soak your rag in brake cleaner or alcohol and clean out the inside of your tubes. Put a nice little pass through, just get all that gunk out.
Yeah, you really want a clean tube, you know.
Oh yeah.
It's important.
Clean your shaft too.
Yeah, I'll make sure to clean my shaft whenever we're done. Okay, so to install these axle seals, you're gonna find a socket that can go on the rim here. Kind of slide that on, and then we're going to be hammering it in place right there. So we'll go ahead and slide this a little bit farther through and hammer that right in. Now you want to make sure you have this like straight, so I'll be holding it in the middle so it's not an issue. Oh yes, you don't want to wear your seals out too much before you put them right there. All right, let's get this started. I'll get this centered and hold it. There we go.
Is that it?
That's it. Oh no, that blows.
Well, is it going in good?
Probably it right there. Yep, she's in now.
Cool.
You want to take the socket off?
Yeah.
All right. So we obviously already have the seals in. Make sure that when we're putting everything back, you're putting the shims on the correct side. So those are in, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the carrier back in. Oh, I dropped the shim. Nope. Pull it back a little bit and get it back in there. So many things.
It'd probably help if I wasn't recording,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna be an ass.
It's okay. The shim would just stick there, that would help. There we go. Ow. I knew it was gonna happen. And we're back in where it needs to be. There we go.
Back in gear.
Back in gear with JK Gears. No, it actually worked out pretty well.
You don't have the quick zoom feature
I don't know.
where you press like 2. What phone is this? 7?
No, it's the XR.
Oh. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just zooming in on the gears now.
They're pretty cool. Look, they're gears.
Dude, those are the Danas, aren't they?
They're the Super Dana
Super Dana?
76s.
Dude, you got the
Yeah,
Dana Super 30?
yeah, you had paid extra for those.
Look at that.
All right, so we're gonna find the one that has the lines because that's what we decided to do. And I'm gonna wipe that off because it's a little dirty.
It's covered in.
Yeah. Don't want that in there.
Oh, this is getting boring.
It's getting boring.
This is
Better
getting
make
boring.
it more exciting.
More exciting?
Yeah.
I got you, dude. What's going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets. Now what he's doing right now is torquing down his carrier bearing caps. You're going to get them started to about 20 foot-pounds and then switch it over to the other side and finish off in a nice star pattern. The bottom, top left, bottom left, top right. You're going to torque the Dana 30 down to about 45 foot-pounds. And now on a Dana 44, it's going to be a little bit higher. It's a little bit bigger of an axle. Requires a little more torque. I don't remember right now because I don't have the torque sheet in front of me because we're doing a Dana 30. But I think the Dana 44 is right around 85 foot-pounds, somewhere along them lines. How you doing over there, James?
I'm doing pretty good. Doing real fantastic, you know, just out here using this ratchet in ratchet ways.
Ratchet ways.
Really enjoying myself. How are you doing?
I'm doing good now.
You know what I don't have that I'm missing?
Balls.
A beer.
Beer.
Yeah, a beer.
Beer.
A beer.
Beer.
I need a beer. It's Saturday, and I ain't even got a beer.
So you coming over to my house,
And drinking your
using
beer.
my tools,
These are my tools.
using my work,
Look, that's mine.
and you're gonna drink my beer?
Yep. That's what friends are for. You just drink their beer.
If I had a beer right now, I'd fall asleep. I'm gonna drink my beer till these seals are done. I'm gonna drink till I can't no more.
Yeah, if you haven't checked out that video yet, you really need to. You know what? Check in the description of this video. Probably the best music video that's ever been made, ever. It'll be in there. Pretty funny.
I need girls twerking in it. That makes it better.
You know, I could have dressed up. You never called.
Shit.
I did make that G-Pro video. That would have been hilarious. That would have been funny.
Are you gonna leave all this in? It's taking you 2 minutes to tighten these down. They ain't even torqued to 45 foot-pounds yet. If you're still watching this at this point, better go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Smash it 3 times.
3 times.
Yeah, if you
So
smash,
like it, unlike it, and like it again.
if you smash it twice, it goes to nothing. All right, now tighten that down 45 foot-pounds. Not that one. Top left. Top left, Bubba.
I'm not really torquing. I'm just making sure they're tight. Now I'm gonna torque them.
You gonna torque?
I get torque wrench, so
You gonna borrow my torque wrench
yeah,
and my beer?
definitely. I'm gonna get a beer and then I'm gonna find the torque wrench.
I don't have a
Let's
torque
do
wrench. I don't have a torque wrench.
You don't have a torque wrench?
No, and I'm out of beer.
I know that that's a lie.
I'm out of beer.
I know both are a lie. I'm back.
This is a tragedy.
This is terrible.
Got gear oil on my crock.
Yeah, why does this not want to turn that well? There you go. 45, 45, get my ass up there to 45. There we go. And let's torque this bitch. There we go. And that bucket's in the way. Alright. And then the top up here. It's really playing with my shaft. Alright, so we got the diff cover back in. We're gonna go ahead and slide our shafts right in that tube so that seal can clasp it really tight and I won't have any leakage.
Ooh.
Yeah, you don't want any leakage, you know? That's just gross. So let's slide it. Oh god. Fuck. Feels so good.
Boom, new seal busted.
That would suck. That's in right there. No, it's not.
Your dust shield's in the way.
Yeah, dust shield's in.
And before you push it all the way in, put your
Wheel speed?
yeah.
That was stupid. I might be able to snake it in there though. Yep. Alright, so the video is done. We're gonna have some beers and then just kind of hang out. But other than that, I'm pretty excited. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up.
We're just gonna have some beers and hang out. Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, so we're gonna have some beers, hang out, and then yeah, do some humping of the tires. Give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Ooh, big word. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. And other than that, keep the adventure going.